everyone. Let's dive into today's video and witness some spectacular moments brought to us by nature and wildlife. From gentle beauty to unbelievable surprises. Storm Zorba reminds us of nature's supreme power. Watching the scene in Stadzo, did you feel the same? Oh gosh, we did. No engines needed, furious waves pushed ships ashore in ways no one expected. Greece looked like a whole different world that day. This is the Medicane effect, when intense low pressure creates massive wave columns hitting Greece with hurricane-like force.
Would not want to be in there. Whoa! Oh my god!
Be sure to hit subscribe to keep up with the most unbelievable moments ever caught on camera with me. That rock skimmed past cars and made a splash like no other, a jaw-dropping day in Gubernizwa. Epic performances can inspire, but balancing creativity with public safety is something every stage and festival must consider.
Kako ni toga krenula na nome, čoviče, sidi. Nepotopljive ovdje.
Just a few seconds at La Jolla, San Diego, a sea lion defending its turf sent nearby visitors scrambling. Unforgettable to say the least.
Is it coming? It's coming to say hi. Look at this, so silly. Yeah. Yeah. He says hi.
It could be that they're chasing.
All I could say was, wow, as the boat glided past with dolphins leaping like guides beside it. For pro surfers, chasing giant waves is a passion, but never forget safety comes first. Safe height is never just a number. Who would you want to remind about that? Tag them in the comments. Clearly, this pilot's playing Flight Simulator but on hard mode. The water and flagstaff suddenly woke up, rushing across roads and sweeping away vehicles, leaving behind a surreal scene.
लाइट टूट गया देखिए बाप रे बाप इतना भयंकर बारिश आता है तो क्या नहीं
The mud flow from Mount Elbrus came alive, sweeping through Tiernos and forcing life to pause for the response effort.
Это горком.
Floods and landslides in Jispa shut down the Manali-Leh highway, a clear reminder of how vital geological warnings are.
Quay cầu ơi! Woo! Chạy đi, chạy đi! Ô! Có một cái đập! Xong rồi!
The sea seemed to reach up and touch the sky, forming a swirling waterspout just off Toriana Palme. Stunning, powerful, and a reason to stay alert. What would you do if you saw that in real life? This is how locals in Linabo climb over 2,000 steps daily. What seems graceful is really a blend of time balance and discipline. No injuries, and that's what matters most. But how about a lesson on securing cargo before transport? It's not magic, it's electricity in motion. Iron filings twist and dance, creating a mesmerizing scene of physics in action. And yes, even cows get tired of walking. Off the coast of California, the ocean threw a party waves, set the rhythm, sea life danced, and you were the guest of honor.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
There it goes, guys. Hold on to your kids.
Loving the ocean means more than watching it. It means knowing when to keep your distance so every journey ends in peace. The ocean doesn't speak in words, but weather is its language. When waves roar, listening and waiting is the wisest choice.
I'll send it to you, Justin.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, caution is your most loyal companion. Because sometimes a single careless second teaches the biggest lesson.
Yeah. Hey, this your boat?
That tree just came down on a house right there. It snapped it completely in half. What's going on with Hurricane Ida? You can see my neighbor's farm for us to get to them. And so just be in prayer for them, for their safety, and then for all the people in our city.
The shoreline turned into a symphony of wind and waves. Hurricane Erin didn't just pass by, it left its name etched across the horizon. Off the coast of Mazarón, 3 waterspouts formed at once sky and sea, connected in a breathtaking and chilling spectacle.
Mira eso,
At the Outer Banks, powerful storm waves reshaped the coastline, sweeping away 6 beachfront homes from their foundations.
No! No!
At Snoqualmie Falls, water thundered down in full force, an awe-inspiring reminder of raw natural beauty.
He's wilding. Oh, he's done. Oh, no, he got it.
His car's done.
No, he got it.
He's savage. He is savage.
Oh, nah. He made it, yo.
A sudden hydrothermal eruption sent steam and boiling mud shooting into the air, forcing tourists to flee and causing Biscuit Basin to be temporarily closed. Oh gosh, Mother Nature is truly furious. The flood swept away everything in its path. Nothing could withstand the raging waters.
这批观音玉手。
Shelf clouds appeared before a major thunderstorm, a warning sign of strong winds, heavy rain, lightning, or even hail.
Oh mon Dieu.
A landslide occurred in the French Alps with around 423,000 cubic feet of rock crashing down the mountain slope. Fortunately, everyone remained safe.
Ah putain, je suis pas bien là, pourtant on a la... Oui. Non mais là c'est énorme, c'est énorme. Non mais là c'est parti plus gros qu'il y a du...
Whoa.
Holy crap!
Holy crap. Oh, Jesus. Wow.
I knew you could park it.
Wow.
Wow.
You caught it, huh?
I caught it on the video too.
Yeah.
That might be better than the whale.
If you found this moment surprising, comment 1 below. Look at this fascinating sight. Hundreds of ladybugs covering the rocks, a rare autumn phenomenon known as clustering. Asian carp suddenly leapt out of the water at Kentucky Lake as researchers conducted an electric survey. As the waves lapped the shore, clams emerged from beneath the surface one after another. A strange and captivating scene. Hot ash flowed violently from the volcano's crater, turning the sky over East Java into a thick gray smoke screen. Amid a hailstorm in Canberra, tiny umbrellas became makeshift shelters for the workers caught outside. This rare phenomenon occurs when water from a waterfall freezes in swirling motion, forming naturally rounded ice balls. From deep underground, a sudden burst of groundwater erupted through rocks beneath a river, creating a stunning spectacle. A massive tornado screamed across the land with wind speeds reaching up to 140 mph, sweeping everything away like a furious storm from the heavens. This is why you should be extremely cautious when passing through hilly terrain.
C'est une dinguerie, chat.
Y'a rien qui coule.
A two-headed python is a rare congenital condition occurring when an embryo fails to fully separate during early development. An earthquake in Ridgecrest violently shook an entire apartment. A fallen television clearly showed why securing household items is absolutely essential. Urban sinkholes can form when the underlying soil becomes hollow or weakened, often related to drainage systems and heavy loads. Luckily, he was safe. This is a valuable lesson about controlling speed. In the quiet parking lot, the ground suddenly erupted like a fountain, transforming an ordinary moment into an unforgettable spectacle. In Villa Carlos Paz, a motorcyclist was rescued just in time after a perilous moment amidst a rising river. Cordoba welcomed the new year with a heavy hailstorm, leaving many stunned by the scene. The slippery road surface, due to snow and low temperatures, reduces traction, making the Donner Pass a major challenge for drivers. This incredible journey is only just beginning, with many more wonders still waiting to be discovered. What animal do you think will surprise us next? Share your predictions in the comments below.